Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chatgpt and Canva to bulk create posts for your social media pages. Now, in my example, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram posts, but you could use this for Facebook as well, and LinkedIn, Twitter. It is completely up to you. Now, you need to first of all find your niche. Now, what I'm going to do is use the marketing niche. So I'm going to create 100 marketing tips Instagram posts. So each post will be a daily marketing tip. So I'm going to write a quick prompt for ChatGPT. This will then create all of the tips for marketing, and then I'm going to put it into a document, create a simple Instagram post design in Canva, and then use that document to bulk create all 100 posts. So let's start by creating the prompt in ChatGPT. I'm going to keep it as simple as possible. So here we go. I've kept this really simple. I've written write 100 simple marketing tips that I can use as daily Instagram posts. Make them short and sweet, under 20 words each. And now let's hit enter, and ChatGPT will create all of these for us. And 99, and finally 100. So this has only taken a couple of minutes, but ChatGPT has already created our 100 marketing tips. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy all of these all the way up to number 1. And what we need to do now is go and open a CSV file, which is a spreadsheet. I'm going to use Google Docs. Here we go. So I have a blank spreadsheet in Google Docs. So I'm simply going to click into the first box and paste these in. There we go. As you can see, I'm just going to make this wider. It has automatically added them each in their own individual lines. So we have 100 lines here. Let's just make this a little bit wider to make sure they all fit in. And I'm actually going to select them all and remove the fill color because I don't want that. And then I'm going to make the text color black, just because that automatically happened when we copied it from ChatGPT. There we go. So that is absolutely fantastic. Now I'm going to retitle the spreadsheet 100 marketing tips. And on average, I'd say it has given us about 5-word tips. Some of them are a bit longer. Let's see, the longest one could be this one, and that is about, I'd say the longest one is about 8 words. How's this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 words. So what we need to do now is save this as a CSV file to our computer. So let's go File and then Download, and we're going to click CSV. This is the comma separated values. So let's download this, and I'm just going to download it to my desktop so I can access it easily. And now what we're going to do is go into Canva. So here we go. Now that we have opened Canva, what you want to do is create the type of project that you want to use for your content. So I'm going to create an Instagram post, but you could create, let's go to the search box and type social media. You could create any of these. It is completely up to you. But what I'm going to do is go back and create an Instagram post. And in fact, I've already done that. So I'm going to go to that tab now. As you can see, we have my post here. I've given it a simple heading, Daily Marketing Tips. And as we know that there are going to be a lot less words than we have in this example, I'm going to make this shorter. Let's say to about here. And then we can make the text a bit bigger. And try and make it fit in a bit better. Okay. And then center it. We can move this down and center this again. And I might actually use a bit more of a bolder font. So let's go back to the font changer. Possibly semi-bold, I think could look good. And then you can go ahead and add a template and add your own style. Change the fonts and the text size. That is completely up to you. You can change the text and the other elements in the template if you did create a template. But now what we need to do is use the document that we just downloaded. So as you can see here, this is our template. Now what we're going to do is click the bulk create app. Now, if you do not see this right here, what you want to do is click onto apps and then type in bulk create, or you can find it just down here. So let's click onto that. And you have two options. You can either enter the data manually or upload it. So you can see the different document types that it will accept. And I created a CSV. So let's click upload data. And then we're simply going to upload this document here that we just downloaded. And now we just need to read what we need to do. So it says connect data to your elements, right click an element in your page to connect it to your data below. Now it only has one data field identified because we just used one line. So let's right click this here and then click connect data. And then click onto this field here. And now if I click continue, it will automatically generate the data for all of the content we added into the document. So if I click generate 99 designs, I'm not sure why it's only done 99, but that doesn't really matter. Let's just click this button. And in a few seconds, it will create all 99 of our designs in Canva. So we have daily marketing tips, use strong action-orientated calls to action. Let's just close this. Post consistently, same time every day. Engage with followers in the comments. Share behind the scenes content for authenticity. Use polls and quizzes to increase engagement. And we can just keep scrolling down. And there are loads more that have been created. So then you can go ahead and upload these to Instagram daily. And you have 100 days of content already created for you. So there we go. All you now need to do is click share and download. You can download them as a PNG. And this will save all of the pages, or you could do individual pages. It is completely up to you. But if you select all pages, it will add them to a zip file, and you could then unzip them onto your computer and you'll have a folder full of all of your designs. So there we go. In just a few minutes, we have created 100 Instagram posts using Chatgpt and Canva together. This is absolutely fantastic. You can make changes to the design if you need to before you import the content, but this shows you just how easy it is. So there we go. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.